I told you that the same number could mean something totally different in another country? Yep, it's true. In today's video, we are going to decode the international number system, the number format used around the world. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand it, you'll be able to teach it to your friends. Grab a notebook and let's jump in. Let's start with the basics. The international number system groups numbers in threes starting from the right. So you'll see numbers written like this. Each group of 3 digits is separated by a comma. In contrast, in the Indian number system, numbers are grouped like this. Same digits, totally different grouping, and that can cause confusion. Let's understand how these numbers are structured using a place value chart. In the international system, the place values go like this: ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, then millions, 10 millions, and so on. Let's take this number: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 3 is in the millions place, 4, 5, 6 is the thousands period, and 7, 8, 9 is the ones period. See how the commas help us group and read the number easily? Let's practice reading a few numbers together. I'll give you a second to read it on your own, then I'll read it aloud. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1,234. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 56,789. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 9,876,543. Notice something, we don't say and between the digits. Many people make that mistake. Let's compare a number in both the systems. Take 75 lakh from the Indian system. It's written as 75 followed by 5 zeros. In the international system, this becomes 7,500,000. Another example, 1,23,45,678 in the Indian format becomes 12,345,678 in the international format. See how the commas shift. That's the magic of different systems. Here's a fun real-life scenario. Imagine you sending money to a friend abroad. You tell them you transferred 10 lakh rupees, but they are used to the international system. They see the zeros and think you have sent 100,000 rupees, not realizing that it's the same as 10 lakh. So understanding number systems isn't just about exams. It helps us to avoid confusion in the real world too. All right, it's your turn now. I'll show you a number, pause the video and try to read it aloud. Then check if you got it right. 7,890,123. Answer: 7,890,123. Convert 25 lakhs to international format. Answer: 2,500,000. What digit is in the 10 million place in 93456,789? Answer: 9. Awesome job! You now understand the international number system. Now your challenge. Explain it to one person today. And if this video helped you, tap like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's keep making maths simple and powerful together.